Alright, and then I went to Walmart. My local neighborhood market has the new case already. This is the brand new for 2026 Nissan Frontier, guys. Part of Freestyle Record 711. Crushed car, they should change that. A lot of new trucks, but 2 re-releases. So it's Hella Chopper, Sneakerhead, which I have that one, but with teal tires, a different paint job. Mega Great Bite, which I freaking want. That one's really nice. Supreme Slammer, I saw it, but they beat me to it. A new 5-alarm. Paint, the one Nissan Frontier. Gangster, I own it, I don't care. But I don't own a normal Mega Rex. I have a Power Smasher, but not the normal one. So Nissan, guys. Name, Nissan Frontier, truck type, pickup, strength, driving force, crash attack, maximum performance. Nissan. Pretty cool. Let's get to the opening now. 2026 right there. Okay. Ooh. Here's Nissan Frontier, guys. That is so cool. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Blue metal flake. Looks like the Bigfoot paint job. The Bigfoot with the American flag on it. No headlight print is so cool though. Bumper. Nissan on the front. Orange windshield. Nissan again. It does have taillight printing on the Nissan logo on the back though, which is cool. Frontier. Charcoal gray rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Orange roll cage. Silver chassis. Body on top. So that's all I got today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to get more soon. I don't know when exactly, but you'll see on my channel, guys. Hope you enjoyed.